We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the stuffed animal hammock corner with LED light by Relaxine. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what people are saying about this unique and functional storage solution. This stuffed animal hammock has been praised for its space-saving design and durability. Measuring 43 by 43 by 56 inches, it is large enough to hold a significant number of stuffed animals, making it an excellent option for families looking to free up floor space in their child's bedroom or nursery. The fact that it is handmade from premium cotton adds to its appeal, as the material is not only soft and eco-friendly, but also sturdy enough to handle a substantial load of plush toys. Many users have highlighted how much they appreciate the inclusion of an LED light with the hammock. This feature is not just decorative, but also functional, providing a warm glow that can serve as a nightlight or add a cozy ambiance to the room. Parents have noted that this light offers a reassuring presence for children at night while also sparking their imagination. The creative design of this toy storage solution has been another major highlight among reviewers. Instead of being a plain utilitarian item, the hammock adds a touch of fun and personality to any room it's placed in. Children love being able to display their beloved stuffed animals in such a unique way, and parents appreciate how it helps keep things organized while enhancing the room's decor. Assembly is another area where this product shines. It comes with wall-mounting anchors and hooks which ensure that the hammock stays securely in place once installed. Several users have mentioned how easy it was to set up, with some completing the installation in under 10 minutes by following the provided guide. However, there are also mentions of individuals opting to use their own hooks for added stability, especially when drilling into studs for extra support. The quality of the materials has received consistent praise from buyers. The macrame design is not only visually appealing but also robust enough to hold both small and large stuffed animals without sagging or tearing. Many have reported being pleasantly surprised by how much the hammock can hold, with some fitting up to 20 plush toys of varying sizes comfortably. The lightweight nature of the product makes it easy to handle during installation while still being strong enough for its intended purpose. One recurring theme in customer feedback is how well this hammock blends functionality with aesthetics. Its purple color adds a pop of vibrancy to any nursery or kids' room, and its macrame style gives it a trendy yet timeless look that complements various decor styles. The LED lights further enhance its visual appeal, making it more than just a storage solution. It becomes a decorative piece that adds charm to the space. Despite its many positives, there are a few minor drawbacks noted by some users. For instance, while the included hooks work well for most people, others have found them less sturdy than desired and opted for alternative mounting hardware. Additionally, the LED lights require batteries that are not included in the package, which some buyers found slightly inconvenient. However, these issues are relatively minor compared to the overall satisfaction expressed by most customers. Price-wise, this hammock has been described as offering excellent value for money. At around $10, it provides an affordable yet high-quality solution for organizing stuffed animals while enhancing room decor. Many reviewers have compared it favorably to other similar products on the market, noting that its combination of durability, style, and functionality sets it apart from cheaper alternatives that may lack the same level of craftsmanship or aesthetic appeal. In summary, the stuffed animal hammock corner with LED light by Relaxine is a well-loved product that has impressed users with its thoughtful design, quality materials, and practical features. It offers a creative way to store and display stuffed animals while saving space and adding charm to any room. With easy assembly and a returnless refund guarantee from Relaxine, this product provides peace of mind along with its many benefits. If you're looking for an affordable and stylish storage solution for your child's plush toys, or even your own collection, this hammock is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description if you'd like to support our channel while purchasing this item.